Don't go over top of it.
Scoop, scoop, scoop.
Is it hot? Yeah, blow on it. You gonna eat any of that, honey? How about you put some in Daddy's mouth because he's hungry?
She's not eating. She's just like, hungry. Let your daddy eat.
You're dumping too soon. You gotta bring it over, and then you gotta bring it over first, and then dump. We're gonna take it over, and now we dump, right? We're gonna scoop, take it over, and now we dump, right? All right. Now you try. You're dumping too early. No, it's still too early. All right. All right, that's enough. That's enough, honey. You did good.